Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can turn off Uber notifications on your iPhone. Alright, let's begin with the video. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device. This is where you can manage all your device settings. Make sure your device is updated to the latest version available to ensure everything works smoothly. Now, scroll down a little bit and access the Notifications tab. This section allows you to control how and when apps send you notifications. Inside it, locate the Uber application in the list located at the bottom. Once you find it, tap on it to open the notification settings specifically for Uber. Here, you will see various options regarding notifications. To stop receiving notifications from Uber, make sure to disable the Allow Notifications feature. This will prevent any alerts or messages from popping up on your screen. After that, get back one step and access the Siri Suggestions feature. This section allows you to manage how Siri interacts with your apps. Inside it, you will see a toggle for Uber. Simply disable this toggle to stop Siri from suggesting Uber-related actions. So that's basically how you can turn off Uber notifications on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.